Almost everything I'm doing outside my main channel is to make money so I can put it back into my main channel. That's why I'm building these other businesses and revenue streams. It's just so I can funnel the money back into my main and grow the main as big as possible. You know what I mean?
Welcome back to FLA Labs. Today we're going to invest all the money we've made on YouTube into making our next video. Spoiler alert, it's not very much money. We recently joined the YouTube partnership program, and so far we've made $5.97. We've also got a small Etsy shop that is not making a lot of sales, $3.31. And Matter Hackers just let us into their affiliate program. We've only made one sale so far, but that's another $5.01. According to my calculator app, that means we have $14.29 to spend on today's project. So let's head to the hardware store. Unfortunately, it looks like we broke the drive belt on our bandsaw, so today we're going to be cutting this thing out the old-fashioned. Apparently I lost the part of the video where I assemble the back and those slats we were just sanding. So... Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. I really enjoyed the challenge and I'm happy with how it turned out. As always, be sure to subscribe, and if you're interested, here's another video right here that I think you're gonna like. I'll see you next time.